Yo guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 368, Weekend Edition Technical Analysis for Crypto. Now, if you're catching this stream live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be updated with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord or on Twitter. Links are in the description, guys. Thank you all for being here and being awesome supporters of this channel. Jake, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. I just show you a little rocket. Yeah, man. Lift off, right? Anyways, let's see what's happening with crypto today, right? Right on. Let's go check out market cap. Oh man, why do I have that line here, dude? It makes no sense. Like, I haven't moved it. I'm not sure why it's there, dude. Is it from a different time scale? And I'm just like not getting it because two of my lines are moved, which is weird. A lot of my lines are moved now, which is weird, right? Look at that. Makes no sense where this is at. Right, and I don't remember having shifted anything here, which again makes it very awkward. What was this line at? Right on. So it's coming slightly lower. There we go. Right. So what do we have? We had the bullish divergence, right? Pumping to the upside, hitting that 618 retrace. We pull back down. Managed to hold to at 382. Trying to reclimb, getting above the 20 right now. That 20 being at $333.39 billion. Heading for that 50% retrace, which we already wicked above, and that's fine. Again, remember how I said this was due to the the BitMEX thing, right? The BitMEX news kind of pulled the market down. We knew we were going to get a potential recovery happening, which is precisely what's happening, right? Now, something that's worrying me a little bit: low, higher, low, negative, low, or high, lower, high. Could be starting to make a sort of triangle here. But I'm not gonna do that shape right now. I'm gonna wait for this maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. We'll see how this climbs and how this behaves. Then we might be able to try to get something here as a pattern. On that note, Jake saying he just created a new channel in Discord NFT chat. Awesome, bro. That's good. Just saw it. Awesome, bro. And you just posted something there as well. That's awesome. Let's check it out. Jake just posted something on the chat and the Discord, and I'm just gonna open it live. Wait for it to like Bitcoin Pizza NFT. That's pretty sweet. I like the pepperoni Bitcoin, dude. That's over 10,000 Bitcoin pizza purchase. Yeah, looks pretty good, man. It is interesting. Made 10,000 of them. That's good. I haven't been able to like transfer any Ethereum over there, man. I should just transfer some Ethereum so I can transfer and like do some stuff and make my new NFT, right? Have any of your NFTs sold so far, dude? Because just haven't been following a lot of the NFTs lately. I know I posted one. I'm just not sure where it's at, right? I'm not even sure if I ever got there. Even if it's sold. So, nah, don't connect. I just want to browse. It's not gonna let me. We'll do that later. Anyways, getting that rejection, right? Yesterday we gained on market cap 1.28%, approximately $4.19 billion. Today gaining 1.46 billion. Let's go check out Bitcoin dominance. What is happening with Bitcoin dominance? Yesterday it managed to lose a little bit of dominance, 0.80. Today it's gaining 0.53, gapped up, but it's pushing back down, sitting neutral at 49.92 on that RSI. Let's go check out how Bitcoin is doing here. Look, we left the gap open. We're very likely gonna have to close it. It's not a big gap. We had closed on Friday, right? Friday we closed at 10,550 right down here. Now we gapped up and we're opening at 10,700. So we are leaving about a $200 gap that we are going to have to come down and close at some point in time. So yeah, 550, about $150, right? It wouldn't be weird if we like moved back, close that gap at least to here, it's fine, and then push back up again, right? Just be careful. We left that gap open. Just want to point it out. On that, let's go look at the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin at 10,789 cents. $10,702, right? And 89 cents. That's pretty good. That's awesome, Jake. I'm glad that you sold some of that. It's an interesting hobby at this point. Yeah, dude, it is interesting. I haven't had much time to play with NFTs. I just that one image I sent you that I'm trying to get to. I'm trying to get it to. I'm trying to turn it into sort of a GIF, right? Not just a fixed image, but you know, I'll see if I can make it work. Anyways, on that note, what's happening with Bitcoin? Right, yesterday we managed to pull back above that 10,647, which is good. Now we are rejecting the 20 right now. That 20 is sitting at 10,725. But it wouldn't be weird. But back in this channel, right? Could try to retake what we lost on the BitMEX news, right? And maybe try to get back up on this level at 10,837. Maybe retest up these higher levels, right? But you know, say it's low, high, lower, high, positive, high on the other side to a lower point. Nothing happening besides this old bullish divergence. That's about it, though, right? Again, high, lower, high, lower, high, low, higher, low, and higher, low. So we're starting to contract, right? That's why we're getting the tightest out of the Bollinger Bands also to come in. Sitting neutral at 49.37 on that RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh, sorry. Before we go to the 4 hour, let's look at the weekly, man. Let's look at the Bitcoin weekly. What are we doing, man? Let me try to get a clean chart. This one's cleaner. So we'll go with this one. What was last week like? This one's still not showing this new week opening. This one's already showing it, but as you can tell, last week it was basically a bearish engulfing. Sorry, not bearish engulfing. It was just a bearish candle, right? A red candle still. Today we're opening this week on a green note. Let's see how that's going to keep on playing out for Bitcoin. On that note, let's go to the 4 hour chart and see what's going on there. Again, I'll redo the week as soon as I'm done. I just want to check some things out. Just some of the charts that I have so much data. I need to find a clean chart, but we'll do it in a second. High, lower, high, positive, more positive, right? We're starting to create that hidden bearish right now. I don't like that because that could bring some stalling here, and that could bring maybe price action to downside. I'm not sure, man. I don't know. Again, nothing here against the RSI. Just against the MACD, we're creating that hidden bearish. That's fine. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative. Lower. Yeah, we didn't have anything else here. Besides this, what we're developing. Again, maybe start to stall around this area. Maybe come down, retest at 10,647. But we'll check that out on the 1 hour and see what we got there. Right on the 1 hour, right? So we're coming higher, right? We're coming lower here. Why do I not have lines here? Are they not loaded yet? Dude, I know we threw some lines out here yesterday, and it's just weird that I'm not finding them here today, right? I haven't opened anything on my phone. It's just this thing's here, right? Like this divergence is not here, and we talked about that before, right? Oh, man, again. Just fucking like trying to be removing some of the stuff. It's just weird, man. It's just, you know. I'm just gonna have to like start saving the layout after I finish every chart, I guess, because it's just beginning to be weird. The fact that I'm not finding data or charts that we already drew, and then them not being here, the data, right? It's just weird. Anyways, we had that bullish divergence. We call that out on the 2nd, right? Because we've been riding it to the upside. We talked about this bearish divergence to here, right? So from here to here, right? Just want to make sure it's all going to be on the 1 hour. So you want to go on the 4s. Quick cleanup though. Just 1 second. Again, awkward that stuff's not being saved, right? It's just freaking annoying, dude. One second though. Yeah, I don't even have TradingView open here, man. Weird. Anyways, I was trying to confirm that I hadn't opened it on my phone by accident or something, but nope. See, okay, so we had to hit the bearish divergence strong. We didn't have it against the MACD. Price action down, so we did move down, hit that 20, right? We're live here yesterday, trying to see what was going to happen. We're trying to determine whether or not we're going to get above that 20, which we managed to hold on to as support, which we called as a possibility. On that, we managed to pump a little bit higher. As you can tell, although we're going higher, right, every time, look at that. Are we creating bearish divergence? We might. 8, 10, 741, right? So slightly lower here in that positive momentum. So from one island to the next, right? Look, coming in lower. We're definitely going much higher, right? So strong bearish divergence still there. We don't have it against the RSI still, right? Look at that. Here it's 69.66 and this is 70.83. So again, going slightly higher every time. So just against the MACD, right? Bearish divergence once again. Strong bearish divergence. We could move down and hit this area again, 10,647. Maybe by the time we move there, the 20 moving average will also be there. We'll find it as support and try to go for a new rally. Maybe to that 10,800. We'll figure it out once we get there. But right now we have bearish divergence. We got to be careful with our positions. Sitting sold at 67.83 on that RSI. On that note, let me look for another Bitcoin chart so we can look at the weekly. Right, so low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to a higher point on the RSI. Nothing there. Again, bearish, bearish. Now we're starting to create a green candle, which is okay. Managing to find support here on whatever chart we had here from high to low at the 236, right? That's where we're wicked and trying to get above now. So that's good. Again, not a lot happening, nothing crazy going on with Bitcoin. Slowly recovering. Let's go check out Ethereum. What is happening with Ethereum? Again, bearish divergence, right? We didn't have anything here high, right? At 1.65, this is lower, 102, so lower high. Then we try to recover, heading for that 20. Looks like we're rejecting, so that's okay. If we manage to get above that 20 again, 364 would be the next target, right? If we failed at 20, we could be looking for lower prices, and then maybe we could be even targeting somewhere around here, 340 or even like 330s, right? Before we actually get down here, 319. So not a lot happening here on the daily. Neutral at 47.47. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to lower point, right? Nothing there. High to low, positive, more positive. Let's check this one out. 0.88, 1.1, so 1.01. So we'll go slightly higher here. Right, this is going to be on the 4-hour only. This is just starting to develop, right? Again, it's going to be hidden bearish. It could start to bring some stalling around this area where we're at right now. Again, maybe a movement down to a 20 would be in order. We don't have that against the RSI. Against the RSI, we're neutral at 55.36. That'll be about it, though, right? So let's go to the 1-hour chart. What is happening on the 1-hour chart? Again, you look, this, we called it, right? It's not here anymore. This short one here, we had it. It's not there anymore. It's just freaking annoying that stuff's disappearing from my charts, man. Right, so, you know, we had this bearish divergence, right? It was very tiny. We talked about it. It was a 3-hour period or 4-hour period max. Then here we created this bullish divergence, which we already had drawn. I think we even had it on the other side. Let's see, 25.50, 25.67. Yeah, we even had it here, right? Right, so look at that. Price action to the upside. We're getting that rally coming in. That was great. We're creating this bearish divergence, which we talked about yesterday, right? Again, not sure why stuff's not saving, man. Don't have it here against the RSI. Again, low, high, right? Trying to recover. That's great. Now, although we're going higher, look, we're still lower. Even at this high, I think 50, right? And this will be 55, so that's fine. We'll anchor from the low highest point here. Again, it's all upsloping, right? So for this example, I'll just take it here as continuation, right? To not go over the data again. But you'll be anchoring from this island to the new island, just like that, right? So bearish divergence. We don't have it against the RSI again, going slightly higher. We do have this very, very tiny island here of positive momentum, which is just 2 bars or 3. That's like three tiny bars. And I'm choosing to ignore it, right? That's just my preference. It's very little. It's almost non-existent, so I'm just not going to acknowledge it for this analysis. And I'm just going to skip over it and say, look, we're creating bearish divergence. Strong potential movement to the downside. Maybe a retest of that 20. Again, Ethereum at $353.99. I'm still waiting for it to take off. with a little more strength. Let's see if that's going to happen again. Potential moving down to hit that 20, and then we're going to figure out where we're going to go from there. Sol sitting bought at 67.89. Let's go to XRP. Dude, XRP managed to do something weird and cool. It managed to go high as hell. So you got 25 cents, 25.23 cents. They managed to pump a lot yesterday. 6%, right? 6.47%. I don't think anyone pumped that much. Look at Ethereum with a puny 1.84. Look at Bitcoin Smash at 1.13%, right? So again, XRP was king yesterday. Had the bearish divergence, we moved down. We hadn't created anything bullish on the daily. That's fine. We went slightly higher, got above that 24.69 barely. Trying to pull back up again, which is good, man. I'm finally happy for XRP and XRP holders out there. I'm not sure why it's pumping. Besides, we're going to look for the technicals. I can't remember if we had something, but I didn't see anything on the news. So, you know, going higher. That's good. Now, high. That's all good here. You know, we're hunting for this divergence. I do believe this is at the same height, so I would just be going sideways and coming in. Then I wouldn't have anything there. So I don't have from here. I'm not gonna move that anchoring point, right? We had the hidden bearish. We moved down. Trying to recover a little bit, right? Neutral at 55.57. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Remember in XRP how yesterday I had drawn a line from here to here also, or maybe not yesterday or 2 days ago. I can't remember, but again, these freaking lines are not here anymore, and it just throws me off that I have to like do a lot of work and I gotta remember what I did. So we're going like this, remember? Saying, look, man, it would be the same as if I anchor from here to here, I anchor from here to here. We're stalling. It looks like we're going to reject. We did reject it a little bit. We talked about that possibility of failing to drop, right? That's how I know we talked about this, because we said, look, we're going to come here, and if we fail to drop, right, it could be interpreted as a bullish sign, and we could try to go up slightly higher. And that's precisely what happened, right? We failed to drop. We went higher. All things good. Again, look at this. Beautiful. Managing to get above this area. Coming down, finding support at the 24.69, and then pumping from there, rejecting lower prices. Finally, XRP doing something that you know I'm okay with. So high, positive, more positive. Look at this. We're failing to go slightly higher here on the RSI, but we're gonna wait a little bit more. Next global candles. This will be 231, and this is 224, right? So this is very, very tiny, slightly higher than that. So in all fairness, here we'll be going from here to here, right? And then from here to here, right? So we're creating that strong bearish divergence right now. But if this next candle managed to go up slightly more still, we could negate this very quickly and forget about any kind of bearish divergence, and even looking for more price action to the upside. Sitting over bottom there, RSI at 72.46. Let's go to the 1 hour. Right, we're starting to create bearish divergence. Look at that, it's beautiful, man. Almost hitting that support spot on at 24.69, right? Look at that. What's going on here? We had bullish divergence here right now. So, again, a lot of reworks we got to do for these freaking charts, right? Because for some reason, TradingView it's just being freaking weird, man, and not saving data. Even here we had it. I know we called it, so. What I can remember is if we had called bearish divergence here. I think we might have if we had it, but you know, it's going to reject 33 and 32, and this is 34. No, slightly higher. We didn't call it here. So, okay, we had the bullish divergence. Again, we were getting above this area. We're failing to go slightly higher on the bearish divergence that we're building. If you remember, we had called it, I think it was from here to here. And then, no, where was it? Gonna have to like really look at this because I can't remember where we had it. Let's see. I think from here, yeah, to here we're going slightly higher. From here to here. Right. And then we're coming lower from here to here. So we're in that bearish divergence. Action to downside, we did move down below that 20 briefly. Right, yesterday night we were here doing the analysis. We said, look, you know, going lower, we're rejecting the 20. You know, we're curved off. We had another go at the 20. That was one of the possibilities we discussed. But look, we're flirting with it for a little bit. Managed to take off. That's good. Now in that rally, look at that, beautiful. Getting above this area, finding support at 24.69, and now taking it up higher. What's going on here short term though, right? Again, from this part here to this, we're going higher. Everything's good. Now short term within the same island, we're starting to create this bearish divergence for potential movement to the downside here. 82.69, and this is 83.13. We don't have it against the RSI, and that's fine. I want to get rid of that line over there. I have to get rid of that line, this line over here. Whoever bought, creating bearish divergence against the MACD, not against the RSI. Again, wouldn't be worried if we came down here, touched that 24.69, and then took another bounce. But again, happy that XRP is sitting at 25 cents, 25.20 cents. So on that note, let's go check out Litecoin. What is happening with Litecoin? Litecoin sitting at $46.56. Again, managing to get above that 20 today, which is good. Bearish divergence still in play, right? This hidden bearish. From here, we did play down. Now imagine I would just re-anchor it there and then re-anchor it to there, right? All things good there and re-anchor it there, right? Again, bearish divergence still in play, hidden bearish, potential movement to downside, maybe for a retest of that 20. Neutral at 46.70 on that RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we're going higher. Then, you know, we were anchoring from back here probably. I remember us talking about potential this move. Again, just a pain in the butt that I have to rework a lot of stuff we had already worked. There we go, right? We don't have it against the MACD, against the RSI, that's fine. We had the bearish divergence, we broke down on that. That's okay. Again, this one was when Bitcoin crashed on the first, so no problems with that. Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to lower point. Now we're going higher here. This still higher, so high to low, positive to less positive, high on the RSI to a lower point. Nothing on the 4 hour, neutral at 56.59. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Alright, here in the 1 hour, we pumped here. We didn't have anything from here to here, right? We didn't call anything. Maybe we did, I can't remember, but maybe we had something like this. And then just maybe something like here, right? Yeah, I think that's what we had called, some bearish divergence there. Action to the downside, we moved down, try to recover, failed again. Bitcoin dropping, you know, this Bitcoin dropping and dropping more. An upside level consolidation, right? Broke down. 21.20. And I know we called, I think we call this divergence as well, right? So strong bullish, action to the upside, trying to rally, and just here on this part, right? So from here to here, going higher. And from here to here coming lower. We had this divergence bearish. We called it. We moved down on that below 20 briefly, then climbing up higher. That's fine. Here short term, I'm just going to draw this one, and then I'm going to go back to draw another one, right? So from here to here, and then from here to here, and from here to here as well. Right. So strong bearish divergence moving down. Might retest that 20, which is okay. Now here we do have this island. It's one of those things that whether or not we want to choose to ignore it, it's a 4 candle island. Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin or Ethereum had like 3 candles, which I was okay with ignoring it. From here, technically, we'll be going from high to low. Again, if I ignore this, then we'll be going from a low to high, right? So again, like that. So strong bearish divergence still, right? We did break down slightly on that, and then again. Hey, Andrew, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Yiffy, yeah, we'll look at Yiffy, man. Silica? Yeah, we'll look at Silica. Alright, so bearish divergence moving down. Neutral at 57.47 on that RSI. That's great. Let's go to Binance. Binance at $29.16, which is pretty good. Again, we talked about this potential bounce yesterday. We're starting to open. We're slightly here. We said, look, we could try to recover and regain on that bounce of the 20, which is looks like what we're doing, right? So we're still slightly lower than here, right? So high to low, positive is positive, high on the RSI to lower point. Nothing happening on a daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we didn't have anything going on to here, which was fine. We also didn't have anything going on to here, which was okay, right? Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to a higher point. I think we... No, we didn't. Yeah, we didn't. So high, lower high, positive. Oh, this is all one island, right? Positive is positive as we're going slightly lower, right? So high to low. I'm gonna wait for this on the Binance, right? No, if I go like this, right? This island's higher still, so high to low, right? Sitting bought at 64.84. I'm going to wait here on the 4 hour. I'm going to go to the 1 hour. Here again, we had drawn this divergence, right, yesterday or 2 days ago. I can't remember when. It just, everything got deleted, so it's just freaking weird. Getting that price action to the upside, getting that rally. And we're talking about bouncing here at the 20 consistently, even though we're creating bearish divergence, right? So from here to here, we had created bearish divergence. We talked about this yesterday. So now from here to here, and then from here to here again, right? So from here to here again. Right, like that. And then from here to here. Right, and then here we didn't have anything. Then we were, I think we're here. Maybe we're gonna retest, or we're gonna do something. That's from today. We were here yesterday. We said, look, we could go down, maybe retest at 20, see if we're gonna hold. We did move that, retest it, take it a bounce, going higher, still and higher, still today. So look, even from here, right? From here, it's still less, and then we're going to zero, right? So again, a lot of bearish divergence. We just keep on not giving a damn about it with this project, right? With Binance, look at that. From here again, high to lower high, and then from here to negative, and we're about to make positive momentum again. But here we're also getting it against the RSI now, finally, and that could potentially bring us with price action to downside of strong bearish divergence, right? Maybe we go back to 20, retest it, and finally break below that area. But if Bitcoin runs and the rest of crypto runs today, we're really going to see probably a good day for all projects, right? Again, Binance yesterday managed to gain 2%. Again, Litecoin managed to gain just 2.5%. Again, winner of the top cryptos that we look at was XRP with a 6% pump, right? A 6.47% pump. On that note, I'm going to do DVT. And then I will get into the other projects. By the way, you guys already know that I'm pushing to get into the DVT DAO, right? Marketing DAO. So you know, it doesn't mean I'm trying to shove the project down anyone's throat, right? I mean, I want to talk about it because I like it and because I am invested in it. I'm not part of their DAO yet, but you know. And I'm not doing this to become part of the DAO. I'm doing this because I'm invested in the project, right? Just to be clear. So you guys already know that. So look, sitting at 38, 3.8, man. I knew yesterday it was a good in. Today still being a good in, dude, at 3.8, man. I think I might add more now. $3.8 Satoshis. I can get a sizable position here, man. Really thinking about adding more. We didn't have anything bearish, right? High to lower high, positive was positive, high on the other side to a lower point. It just broke down, that's fine. We had something bullish here, right, from here to here. So low, lower low, positive momentum, less positive momentum, right? Low on the other side to a higher point. We tried to get a rally, but we failed. That's fine there, right? Nothing off. Again, high, lower high. And then we're just breaking down. So low, lower, low, negative, more negative. Low on the other side to a lower point. Sitting sold at 37.16. Let's go to the 4 hour. Again, low, lower, low. We're starting to create now strong bullish divergence here. On the 4 hour candle, look at that, right? Low, lower, low on the price. The negative momentum to less negative momentum. Again, this is starting to develop, so it could keep on building. And here we were at 24.04, and now we're at 25.80 apparently. So again, low on the other side to a higher point. So we're creating that strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. On that note, I'll go here on the daily. On the daily, we're already creating strong bullish divergence, right? And that's fine. I'm worried that we're going to break much lower and really negate it, right? We still have it here, which is good. Even against the RSI, we still have it, right? Look at that. We're on the sold to oversold line, then coming in higher. So again, we have that strong bullish divergence. We just need this to take off, and it could be like really, it could take off really quickly, right? So again, to hit through the fours, it's not that much, right? With 147 DVTs, it can be really easy gotten from here to here. So if you're getting at 3.8. It goes to 5, right? It's going to be an amazing gain, dude. That's going to be like 25% gains like that. So good project to buy. I think I'm gonna put an order here at 3.9 maybe. So I still haven't triggered my order, but I need to like send some money over to that exchange so I'm able to buy some more. Anyways, on that note, let's do Yifi. Right, we're starting to get stuff on the daily on Yifi that we could start a chart a little bit better now, right? So low, lower, low, negative, less negative, right? Strong bullish divergence starting to develop against the MACD. Not against the RSI. Against the RSI, we're staying sold at 38.95, so we could start to see a potential rally here, maybe for that 20 again. Yifi sitting at $1.79, right? Which is okay. I can't remember if we had placed fibs for this. I think we had. Like I said, a lot of data got deleted here. So. There we go, right? So we're finding resistance at that 618, right? We just broke below it, trying to get it back above it. That's fine. If we fail, we're going to head for that 786. So be careful with this with Yifi. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and see what we got there. We have this island, I'm just going to acknowledge it, so, yep. Alright, so from here to here, right, again, coming in lower, right, on Yifi. We haven't looked at this in a while, so it's good that you requested it. We went from positive momentum to more positive momentum, and a low point on there, side to a higher point, right? Let's make sure everything's congruent, so. Hidden bearish, action, well, continuation, so we continue to the downside, that's fine, moving down. Right now, we are creating that strong bullish divergence. We're creating it from, getting it from here, but I'll just go from here to here real quick though, right? Just for this analysis. From here to here, right? And from here to here also. Potential action to the upside around strong bullish. We tried to rally, but we failed. Right? Failed rally, and then we just dropped lower. On that drop, we are creating strong bullish divergence. Again, you just imagine that man coming from back here to here, this island to the next island, right, like that. And then here we don't have it against the RSI. It has strong bullish divergence, taking the bounce, rejecting the 20. Not what we want to see when we're rallying, right? We could be taking a breather before we get another go at the 20, but you know, I'm just gonna leave it as be careful because this might just keep on dropping. I'm not sure right now. Sitting neutral at 41.00 on the RSI, and again, waiting for it to really determine what it wants to do, right? Because we just rejected the 20. We could either try to go lower or we could try to get another go at it, but we're stalling at this area. Let's go to the 1-hour Yifi. And this from the 4-hour of the daily. I don't know what daily. There we go. This is also from the daily. Right on. So what's going on here short term, right? Again, low, low. Let's see, what is this at 2,450 and 2,554. Right. So let's come in lower here. So nothing here. Now here short term, right? From here to here. And from here to here, we're creating that strong bullish divergence. I'm not sure we have it against the RSI. Let's see, 2290 and 30. Sorry, 2290 and 2218. So still coming in slightly lower. So we don't have it there. We just have it against the MACD. Again, strong bullish divergence, potential for that action to the upside. Getting that pump again. See how these keep on playing out. Let's check this one out here. Might be this right. So from here to here. From here to here, right? Strong bullish. And from here to here, also strong bullish. Sorry, strong bullish. What am I talking about? Hidden bearish. Hidden bearish divergence, potential action to downside. That's what we're stalling here, failing to go higher. Again, doesn't matter what we had back here. Just what we have here, right? Just anchor that to there, and then anchor this to here. We're strong bullish, right? Anyways, That's gonna be it for Yifi again. We had the hidden bearish pushing us down, trying to get above that 618 again, right? Look at that 618, right? And we rejected once, twice already. So let's see how this is gonna play out. If we get above here, then yeah, we could try to be getting above to the $2.26. But right now, sitting at $1.78 with Yifi, right? Neutral on the RSI at 51.07. Let's do Silica. Silica, right? That's the one we're gonna look at right now. Right on. Silica, we haven't looked at this in a while either. We had some strong bullish divergence develop here. For potential action to the upside, right? Which is gonna be good. Just 1 second, I'm gonna check it on the RSI as well. 33.65, 34, slightly higher. There we go. So again, strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. We're getting that rally happening. Rejected the 20 briefly, right? Which we know sometimes we could do, and then taking that new bounce. Going higher, we're positive momentum higher on the RSI. Things are good. Even this high, right, high, lower, high. Positive is positive. High on the RSI to a lower point. Sitting bought at 61.96. Sorry, 61.69. Yeah, that's where we're at. Let's go to the 4 hour. What's happening on the 4 hour? Let's see. High, higher, high. Let's see. 0.30. 0.32, slightly higher, also higher here. So nothing bearish on this move to here. That's fine. Just on this last part, right? This very, very last part. We're starting to like fail to go slightly higher on that positive momentum. All right, look at that. That will be from here to here, right? Again, I was not. The 65, 46, slightly lower also here. Again, bearish divergence, strong action down, so we can move down. Holding on to this area, which is good, right? Hit rejection, failing to drop, again, interpreting as bullish, then rallying from there, which is good. Now we're going higher. All right, so from high to higher high, and then we're coming in from positive momentum to less positive momentum, right? And then high to low on the RSI. So we're creating that strong bearish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Could be breaking down here, maybe heading for that 20 at 1.88 cents, right? Silica sitting at 2 cents, 2.08 cents. That note, let's go to the 1 hour chart here for Silica. What is happening here on the 1 hour? Coming lower, more native, lower on there, so that's fine. See here, short term high, higher, high, positive, more positive, high, there's to a higher point. Boom, here it is. Here's what I was looking for. Right, like that. Look at this, we're going higher, right? Higher high, then positive to less positive, right? That's fine. And then on the other side, we don't have it, but we're starting to develop strong bearish divergence against the MACD. We're getting the movement down. We're trying to recover. That's fine. Really, we could be coming down to that 20, right? It wouldn't be weird if we retraced a little bit. That 20 right now at 1.98 cents, right? That's where it's at. So we're not that far off from that area. But again, we could just try to go for a new rally, maybe create a little bit more divergence, and then really break down on divergence against the MACD and the RSI. But this is just what I'm looking at right now, right? Short term. Yep. So that's it for Silica. I'm gonna look at Link now. Link, a link to the past. What has happened with Link? Link. Yeah, dude. I think my mic's very low for some reason. I'm gonna check something here in control panel. For some reason, my mic, every time I have like a Skype call, like my mic just goes to shit, dude. It's weird, like how Windows just messes around with the mic settings for no reason when I'm in another call, right? There we go. Right. There we are, man. I think everything's good now. You should be hearing me 100% now. Great. Let's get this going still. Anyways, if you guys like what we do, hit that like button, that sub, right? No, let's do Link. Let's have it with Link on the daily. Again, rejecting the 20, you're heading for that 20, still trying to figure out what we're going to do, which is okay. We haven't moved much since yesterday. We're at $9.27 yesterday. Today we're at $9.54. So like a 20, almost a 30-cent move, but that's fine. High to low, positive, high on the other side to lower point. Last thing we had was a bullish divergence action to the upside. We did hit that resistance at the 50% line of the fibs, which is okay, right? Nothing else developed since. Now let's go to the 4-hour chart. Had the hidden bearish, right? And then with the strong bullish, we tried to rally, rejected the 20 slightly, finally getting above that 20, which is okay. Got above it, found support, and trying to pump, but failing to go higher still. Now high, right? Look at this. This is probably why we're failing right now, right? High to low. Okay, this is the 4-hour. There we are, it's on the 4-hour, great. Then low to high or low, right? Or positive to more positive, right? On the other side, that's fine. We're going from high to low. Neutral at 51.59, but again, starting to create that hidden bearish divergence against the MACD. We'll see how this is going to keep on developing, but that we could start to stall at this area on the link. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. Trying to gauge where we're at here. 375, 36, 375, 33, right? So okay, we're definitely going higher here. And we are coming much lower here on the RSI, right? So again, that's on the MACD. On the RSI, we're going higher. And we're creating bearish divergence. So we move down to that. Try to get above the 20, rejected. Try to get above the 20, rejected, right? Going from a low, slightly higher low. I would have expected for us to try to go lower, but that's fine, really. We don't have anything bullish here short term. And now we're going higher. There's a very tiny positive momentum island here that I'm going to ignore. Let's see what we got here. 331, and this would be 304. So again, high to low, right? We don't have anything here against the RSI yet. Starting to develop something here, but I want to discount it to close. So high, higher, high. High on the RSI to a slightly lower point, right? From here to here. Slightly less. This would be 68.36, and this is 67.98. But again, waiting for it to finish confirming, and right now we would just say we have strong bearish divergence against the MACD, and that would be it for Link. On that note, what else do you guys want to look at? Let me know. It's fair game, right? You can ask for any project, any coin. So I'm waiting for y'all's requests, right? If you guys want to request anything, it's fair game again. If not, you know, we've been live for about 40 plus minutes already. Yeah, 47 minutes. If there's no requests coming up, I think I'm just gonna call it a stream, guys. It is Sunday. You know, I get the market's kind of slow, but yeah, waiting for y'all to comment or say something, right? Jack just closed his link long. Awesome, bro. Good stuff. Buy more DVT, man. Use those long profits to buy DVT, man. Look, it's a 3.8 sats. 125%. That's pretty good gains, bro. You gonna short now? Awesome. Where are you playing? Are you still using Dudex for your longs and your shorts? Wi-Fi was at like 19K, not like $2. Dude, was I looking at a different project, dude? I was looking at YFB, dude. Oh, dude, I know what I was looking at. I was looking at Yifi against Bitcoin, dude. Yeah. My bad, bro. I opened the wrong chart. Yeah, it was 1.81 Bitcoins, right? So, yeah, you're right. Yifi right now at $19,000. It's all good, man. Yeah, I think I did the wrong Yifi chart, but I'll do the Bitcoin chart right now. Yeah, thanks for bringing that up, dude. That's, I just completely missed it when I looked at it. But again, same technicals would apply, right? Look at that. Strong bullish divergence on the daily, which is getting us to rally, which is fine. Again, finding resistance at the 618. Again, just like Bitcoin had, right? Look at that. Again, very similar charts, right? I haven't done anything different. Just looking at, and it's just looking extremely similar. So on that note, let's go to the 4-hour. And coming in lower, right? Look at that. Boom, boom, right? A strong bullish divergence, finding support at the 618. Which really, it's fine, really. Nothing wrong with that, right? Let's go here. Anchor this in the 4-hour. And anchor this also in the 4-hour. I mean, it kind of looks and works the same for this chart. We don't have it here against RSI. That's fine. Coming in lower again. More bullish divergence here, right? If not from here, right, at 285, 293, right? But from here. So I have that strong bullish divergence. From here to here. From here to here, right? Again. Look, just like I don't think I called this one the Bitcoin one. Or I did? Yeah, I did also, right? Look, and I also anchor from back here, remember? That's all good there. Here we had it against Bitcoin. We don't have it against the RSI, against the US dollar one, but that's fine. We still have that strong bullish divergence. Getting up, hitting that 20, rejecting below that 618 again. Right? We might find some resistance there. Try to get above it. Maybe retest that 20. Maybe we fell here and drop again. Don't have anything to go on here. The only thing we have here, and I'm not sure if we had in the Bitcoin, but I'm noticing it here. And yeah, here we're going from 681 to a 405. So 0.006 to 0.004, right? Slightly less on the Bitcoin chart, but on the dollar chart, I think we're going slightly higher. Look at that. This is 55.26, and this would be 89, right? So here we have a hidden bearish right now that's developing. Keep that in mind as you set up your trades. We also have it here against the RSI. It's all good. Potential action to the downside. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. This from the daily. I just forgot to anchor it there. It's from daily. This one. There we go. Now let's go here short term, right? Again. Boom, boom, right? Some strong bullish divergence here at support at the 618, which is okay. Trying to go for a rally, right? Failing and dropping. Maybe we created something else. I'm not sure yet. Hello, yeah, we did, right? So from here to here, and from here to here, right? So hidden bearish, action downside. Boom. Also here against the RSI, we have it. There we go, right? Bearish divergence, hidden action continuation. We're continuing to the downside. Coming in lower, right? Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to a lower point. That's fine. Just here short term on the MACD, right? On this last island. Right, from one island to the next. Creating strong bullish, getting that rally. We don't have it against the RSI, right? Here, I think, yeah, it's 23.34 and 23.07. Still coming in slightly lower here on this RSI. Taking the bounce of the bullish divergence, hitting that 618, struggling with it, trying to get above it again. But really, we're fighting out for this area now. Had a low, right? Hidden bearish still there. Let's go from here to here. To not get a lot of lines crossing, but just go like that, and then go from here to here as well. And hidden bearish, potential moving to the downside. We did move down near that 20, taking a bounce, getting above that 618. Sitting at 19,623, dude. Yeah. Thanks for bringing it up. Understanding. I just coped some more up. Yeah, dude. Yeah, thanks for that bringing that up with the Wi-Fi, dude. For reals. You got OIT of OIFB as well. You got out of YFB as well, I guess. Long-term Yifi is a great trade, maybe, bro. I'm not sure. seems too volatile right now, right? Look at that. It went from, I'm not sure what was this, like $4,000 all the way to like 40,000 right now, sitting at like lost over half of its value, right? 61.8% of its value, even more at some point in time, and then trying to recover right now. I would say that, yeah, if you had to buy it, right, from 100%, it's at 61.8% discount. So yeah, it's a really good discount value for the project. It could retrace, right, to make all-time highs or near all-time highs again. That's fine. But right now, I'm worried about this could still drop a little bit more. That's what's worrying me, right? Again, I'm not going to look at this as a head and shoulders because there's a big difference from here to here, right, on value. So, but, you know, I was trying to see. This would have been the neckline. We're kind of breaking it. We should get a measure. If it was to be a head and shoulders, we'd get a measure moving. We'd probably be going to like 0 or something. It's not good. But yeah, again, you know, it is what it is. That's Yiffy, by the way. Uni going up 1%. Again, but not doing much since yesterday. I'm not going to go into do this uni right now. I just wanted to look at what it did. What it did. Just so we know, we call this, you know, bullish divergence to there. And from here to here we had it. Yay. Alright, that'll be the same from here to here. I think that's strong bullish, right? Trying to rally but failing at the 20. And the daily, again, nothing to trace, right? So I'm not going any other time scale there. Wonder how my solo position's doing, dude. Haven't looked at it in a while. I'm gonna check it out and tell you guys how my solo is doing. $29, $29.74. So it's not bad. Still, for getting 10 free dollars, being almost you know, 300% up. That's great, man. Right? So I'm 3 times double time. I'm doing twice the amount I put in, so that's great. Or 3 times if I take profit, right? 2 times if I take profit, but yeah. Just want to see how much DVT is right now. 4. So if I go here and I do wow, that's good. I could go in buy $200, $100 worth of DVT and get 245,000 DVTs. Right, that's like, yeah, it's like a nasty drop. It has to recover, man. This project's gonna go up to like 50 cents again, and it's gonna go massive at some point in time. I need to add more. I'm not gonna buy it up though. I'm gonna wait here and probably place an order at 3.9, right? Eat this up, then hope I get filled at 3.9, and then you know, write it up whenever it comes in, right? So it could be a good play here to getting at this value, because then the positions get really massive here. So no point in competing with these positions here. For what I'm getting, maybe this one I can compete with, but not this one. Anyways, guys, thank you all for being here. You guys are amazing. Thank you all for showing up. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub. I think I'm gonna call it a night, guys. I'm feeling a little bit tired. Tomorrow I have to work. Thank you guys for being here, Jake, Andrew. Thank you for being here, man. You guys are amazing. I didn't get Steve's comment on the Discord. Something about like something internet. I didn't quite grasp it, but I think it's from yesterday, by the way. And yeah, on that note, I think I'm gonna call it quits. Thank you guys for joining me tonight for this awesome stream of State of Crypto. Again, I'm your host Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight. This awesome Sunday night. Hope you had a great time. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it educational. Hope you're doing good with your positions. Stay safe. Practice good trading. And on that note, you know what to do. If you like this stream, subscribe, hit that like and that bell. I'll catch you guys tomorrow for another edition of the State of Crypto. Until then.